Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write text in round shape in Microsoft Outlook. So get let's started. At first open a document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing menu option. And click for the shape option and click for the round shape and draw the shape. Then I am change the shape color option. Change the shape color and click for the shape option and click for the shape fill option and click for the any source color and shape border line color, shape outline color, then any source color, then shape in text, write a text and text color is the sense. Click the select your text is the going to the text option and font size and color option, then any source color and any source color option. Then text is the font size. Select the text, going to select text option and for any font size. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.